Elon Musk's got everyone thinking about the tunnels these days, with their potential to change transportation and alleviate traffic. But how far down can we go before digging gets impossible? But before we get started, take a second and subscribe to the Endless Info channel, and let us know in the comments below what you'd like to hear about next. So what's the whole point of digging? Well, it's kind of complicated. To simple things out, the Earth's mantle. The mantle makes up 40% or more of the planet, which has a radius of 4,000 miles. The 1,800-mile thick mantle sits, or more accurately, heaves up and down just below the Earth's crust and above the Earth's core. The crust is just a tiny portion of the planet, averaging 3 to 25 miles thick. So, the mantle is the major engine driving the planet's constant evolution and contains a geological record of much of the Earth's history. The deepest hole you could actually fall into is the Moab Khotsong mineshaft in South Africa, southwest of Johannesburg. At 1.9 miles down, the fall down would be a lengthy 25 seconds, probably enough time to text someone, "Uh-oh, I'm falling to my death." While only 9 inches in diameter, the deepest artificial hole belongs to Russia, a project of the former Soviet Union. In a sort of reverse space race, both the US and the USSR made attempts from the 50s through the 70s at the deepest hole ever dug, while the US discontinued funding in 1966. The Koala Superdeep borehole, which began construction in 1970, eventually hit 40,230 feet down. That's almost half the distance to the Earth's mantle. Thank you for watching.